In the ancient Taoist tradition, they say that a human being is born with a full battery, but dies because they leak all their energy before their time. Think about your phone for a moment. You charge it every night, and you panic when it hits 10%. But what about your own body? Where is your charger? Most of us live running on fumes. We rely on caffeine to wake up, sugar to keep going, and pills to fall asleep. We treat our energy like a credit card with no limit, until the debt comes due. We call this aging. We call it burnout. But the Shaolin masters call it a leak. Have you ever wondered why babies naturally sleep with their tongue touching the roof of their mouth? Or why high-level monks hold this exact position for hours, completely motionless, yet radiating power? It is not a habit. It is an electrical connection. Today, I am going to reveal to you the Microcosmic Orbit, the ultimate Shaolin secret to recycling your own life force. Most people are leaking energy like a broken bucket, exhausted and aging too fast. But by simply connecting 2 points in your body, you can seal the leak and create an infinite loop of vitality. Stay with me. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to turn your body into a self-charging battery using nothing but your tongue and your breath. We are going to explore the biology of your spirit. To understand this, look at the body not as flesh and bone, but as a sophisticated circuit board. In traditional Chinese medicine, 2 main rivers of energy control everything. The first is the governing vessel, or dumai. Imagine a river of fire running up your back. It starts at your tailbone, climbs the spine vertebra by vertebra, flows over the skull, and ends at the roof of your mouth. This is the river of yang. It governs action, heat, in your central nervous system. When you feel fired up or angry, this vessel is overflowing. The second is the conception vessel, or ren mai. Imagine a cooling stream of water running down your front. It starts at your bottom lip, flows down your throat, nourishes your heart, and ends at the perineum. This is the river of yin. It governs rest, cooling, and restoration. When you feel deep peace, this vessel is active. Here's the secret nobody tells you. In most adults, these 2 rivers are disconnected. The circuit is broken at the mouth. Because of our modern lifestyle, constant talking, stress, and tension, we keep our jaws slack and tongues disconnected. The yang energy rises up the spine when we get stressed, but it has nowhere to go. It hits a dead end at the top of the head. This is why we suffer from head problems, migraines, anxiety, insomnia. It is simply stuck energy. Like high voltage sparking from a frayed wire, burning the surrounding tissue. But there is a switch, a biological toggle that fixes everything. The ancient masters called it the Magpie Bridge. It is the simple act of placing the tip of your tongue against the upper palate, just behind your front teeth. When you do this, you physically connect the yang vessel to the yin vessel. You close the circuit. Suddenly, the excess fire in your head has a path to escape. It flows down the front of your body like a cooling waterfall. It returns to your navel, your dantian, where it is stored as pure vitality. Think of it like a lightning rod. Without the rod, lightning burns the house down. With the rod, the massive energy is grounded safely. Your tongue is that rod. This is why babies do it instinctively. They are in a constant state of energy recycling. They grow so fast because they don't waste a single volt. We forget this as we grow up, and that is when the leakage begins. Before we practice, we must prepare the vessel. You cannot run high voltage through a dirty wire. Sit comfortably. A chair is fine, but your spine must be straight. The spine is the antenna. If it is bent, the signal is weak. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. Let go of the day. Now, bring attention to your mouth. Relax your jaw. Let there be a tiny space between your upper and lower teeth. Now, the connection. Curl the tip of your tongue slightly and place it on the ridge behind your upper teeth. You will know when you find it because it feels right. Do not push hard. It should be light, like a leaf resting on a still pond. Hold it there. Just by holding this position, you change your physiology. You might notice increased saliva. In Taoism, they call this the golden elixir. It is chemically different from normal saliva. It is charged with healing enzymes. Swallow it mindfully. This is the first step of internal alchemy. Now that the bridge is built, we are ready to turn on the current using your breath. Imagine your breath is a magnetic force moving light through your body. We will visualize a wheel of light up the back, down the front, an eternal circle. Let's begin the activation. Step 1. The awakening of the root. Focus on the base of your spine, the tailbone, the storage tank of raw energy. As you inhale slowly through your nose, visualize a warm, golden ball of light glowing there. Feel the heat. Step 2. The ascent. Use your inhalation to pull that ball of light upwards. Imagine your spine is a hollow tube. Inhale. Pull the light up past your lower back, healing your kidneys. Keep pulling past the middle back, behind your heart, up your neck to the base of the skull. And finally, over the crown to your forehead. Step 3. Crossing the bridge. This is the crucial moment. As you finish your inhale, the light reaches your upper palate. Because your tongue is touching the roof of your mouth, the energy crosses the bridge smoothly. You might feel a spark or a sense of fullness. The circuit is closed. Step 4. The cascade. Exhale slowly. Let gravity take over. Let that golden energy flow down the front like warm honey, down your throat, relaxing your voice, into your heart center, cooling your emotions, through your solar plexus, soothing digestion, and finally, settling deep into your navel, your dantian. That is one orbit, one complete revolution of life force. Let's do it again, smoother. Inhale. Draw the energy up the spine. Expand awareness. Exhale. Let it rain down the front. Relax into your center. Inhale up. Visualize fire rising. Exhale down. Visualize water falling. Why is this powerful? What is happening inside? When energy rises up the back, it passes through the Mingmen gate, stimulating the kidneys and adrenal glands. You are regulating cortisol. You are telling your body to exit fight or flight mode. You are recharging the stress batteries. When energy flows over the head and crosses the tongue, it stimulates the pituitary gland. The palate is located directly beneath the brain's command center. The pressure of the tongue acts like a button, signaling the release of melatonin and serotonin. This is the immortal breath. It keeps the hormonal system young. Biohacking from the inside out. And when energy flows down the front, it cools the heart. In our modern world, hearts are overheated with anxiety. The microcosmic orbit brings that fire down to the belly. A hot head and cold belly is sickness. A cool head and warm belly is health. This flips the script. Common mistakes. First, do not force the visualization. Intention is more important than seeing the light. Just feel the warmth. Second, do not tense your jaw. The connection must be soft. Tension blocks the flow. Third, do not rush. The slower you breathe, the deeper the charge. Start with just 3 minutes a day, right before sleep. It moves energy out of your head and down to your belly, the ultimate cure for insomnia. Instead of replaying problems, you physically drain excess energy from your brain. You will wake up recharged. But true masters do this all day. Walking down the street, tongue on the roof. Working at the computer, tongue on the roof. Stuck in traffic, tongue on the roof. It becomes a passive state of charging. You become a closed circuit, impervious to draining chaos. When stress hits, you don't leak energy, you cycle it, you turn poison into fuel. This microcosmic orbit is the foundation. Without it, Qigong is just gymnastics. With it, every movement is medicine. Remember, your body is designed to heal itself. It just needs the circuit to be closed. Stop the leak, connect the bridge. Watch your life force return. Keep the circuit closed. Stay charged. Namaste.